In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to include a store pickup option as the sole shipping method on your Wix site. This will give customers the convenience to make purchases online and pick the items at your physical store. Conveniently nestled in your Wix dashboard is the shipping and fulfillment area, which is the main hub for your delivery options. To get there, from your Wix dashboard, select the Settings tab and proceed by clicking on the Shipping and Fulfillment. This will lead you to an area where you can manage all aspects of your shipping and delivery. Your next task involves creating or selecting a region. This region is essentially the geographical area you wish to offer store pickup as the priority delivery option. Look around on your screen for an option to choose a shipping region. If it suits you, add a new region tailored to meet your specific requirements. Once the region is set, it's time to give it a specific delivery method. Search for the options within the region settings. Here, you should spot an option that lets you add a delivery method. Choose the option marked as Store Pickup. This sets the gears in motion for customers to get their orders ready for pickup at your store. Next, we'll start to customize the pickup specifications. You'll need to provide a name for your pickup option. Consider something simple yet effective, such as Pickup in Our Store. This creates an efficient retrieval point where customers can collect their orders. Moving forward, you'll need to input the address where customers should go to collect their orders. After specifying the location, it's important to mention the ready time. This informs your customers how long they'll have to wait before their orders are ready for pickup. Now, to make everything clearer, add any necessary instructions. These could include details on all required documents or specific times during which pickups can be made, like your store hours. To fully transition to a pickup-only system, make sure that all other shipping methods are either removed or disabled for that specific region. This could include standard shipping or local delivery options. You'll want to ensure pickup is the sole option available, thereby eliminating any room for confusion among your customers. The final step in this setup process involves saving your changes. Simply click Save to apply these settings. This completes the process of setting up a store pickup-only method for your Wix site. And that's it. You've successfully set up a store pickup-only shipping method. Now, your customers will be able to purchase their preferred items online and pick them up in person at the store location you've specified.